Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you the next part of your fast food online fast food system. And you can sell your fast food online. That is the topic of your project. And in this project, first of all, just I am going to you can say that hide some features based on the roles, and you can say that navigation is based on your roles. So here we have some navigations like category, subcategory, item, coupon, and everyone at this time everyone can use all these things. But the man logic behind this, only admin can use uh, all these facilities. So just you can create a uh, bootstrap drop down menu for this first of all, and that drop down menu will use only admin. So you can use a user dot identity, user dot is in role, that is the admin. If user can inside it in the role, admin can use it. Okay, so uh, first of all create a logic that is user dot is in role admin, that admin can use it. And also you can use right here a division control and classes drop down menu. Okay, so you can design it first of all, and we will later on I will discuss on this topic. Okay, so division class drop down menu and area labeled by that is the based on the anchor tag, that is the header of your drop down menu. And when we just click on that header, the menu will be dropped. So that is the id property of your area labeled by, that is the thing, that is the nav bar menu link. Okay, so when you create anchor tag for your heading, then you can define on that time, that is the id. Okay, so each li item uh, is actually never used right here inside in the division. Only the anchor tag will be used right here. But you can see that home and privacy is not inside it in the CMS. So just again you can use it li tag, and only those navigations are used inside in the drop down, that is the category, subcategory, item, coupons, and users. If it is user is not there, so just you can use it. Okay, so just select all these and just cut and paste inside in the division control. Okay, so this is the bootstrap, you can say, and you can use it inside in your layout.cshtml file. Here you can use it, and just remove all the li tags from here. Okay, so everything is right. Okay, so here we have anchor tag, we have a class that is the drop down items. Inside the drop down menu we have a drop down items, an area labeled by nav bar menu link, that is the reference of your anchor tag, that is the your main link of your drop down. Now the next thing is to change all these link with the drop down item. Now just you have to create a new anchor tag. Oops, cache is not mentioned right here. Just add anchor tag, and the class is, and what is the class? That is the nav link with the drop down menu. So you have to add a drop down toggle, and the href is the internal linking, so hash you can use it here, and you can use id is what area labeled by, so navbar menu link, just copied it and paste it here. Okay, so here we have a anchor tag, and just inside it you can say, and what is the role, that is the role is the button control. And okay, here we have some other properties like toggle. By the toggle, when we click on that, the button is toggle in the form of the drop down menu. So everything is right. Now the name is the CMS, and everything, all these included in the li tag. First of all, close this curly brackets just after the division. And here we have a li tag, but li is not there, so just add it here, the li tag, because the division is not included in the ul tag. So just add a new li tag just after the ul tag, and you can say just after the if tag, if block, and in the li you can just add a class, and the class is nav item. Okay, with the drop down menu, so here we have a drop down. Okay, so li is there, and anchor tag is there. If have a block, just close it. Okay, so everything is right, and you understand very well. Now just run it. You can see that only the admin can see these types of things like category, subcategory, items, and all. And class is nav link drop down toggle. So here you can see that here we have a register and the login button. Just click on the login button and just add just login into the admin account, and you will see that here we have a CMS option is now there, because only the admin can see the list of options. So the by default is the Smith. So just open admin account, and you will see, oops, invalid login attempt. So the next thing is to add that is CMS is not toggle, or you can say that not drop down. So just you have to add some other properties inside the anchor tag, that is the data toggle, and with the drop down. Okay, and the next one is area hash pop-up is true, sorry, it's true. Area has pop-up is true, and the next one is expanded area expanded, so that is false. So area expanded is false. Okay, so data toggle is drop down, so just when we click on the link that is the CMS, just drop down the menu. Okay, and area has pop-up, that is true, so pop-up menu will be true, and area expanded, that is false by default. But when we click on it, then area expanded is true. Okay, so here we have, that's the output. Oops, first of all, do it in the login system and remember me for the admin, and you will see here we have, and okay, everything is right. Category, subcategory, item and coupon is visible. And if you are logged into the Smith account, then you will not see that options because the Smith is the customer. Okay, now the next topic is check the card detail first of all, and all these are authorized. All admin controller is authorized and just open by the admin only. So just you can use authorize keyword right here, and with the roles, so stop the debugging first. Authorize roles equals to admin, and the next one is okay. So you can see that categories controller is authorized by the admin. Now the next thing is to area, that is authorized roles equals to admin, and just copy and paste in the items also, and the subcategories also, and the next one is the users controller also. So everything is right, and you can see all these are protected by the authorize keyword, and all these are authenticated. If all these if all are authenticated and isn't all are existing in the role admin, then can see all these actions. The next topic is to do for your first of all check the project that is loaded by the admin. If admin can log in, then can see all these drop down menus and use it. Admin can see just when we click on the logout button, the CMS, I mean to say that content management, will hide, and just click on the remember me button, and here we have just empty button, but the cart have an options, and you can see that when we delete an items, that cart will be updated or not. And proceed to checkout, here we have the cart for the summary, or you can just say that cart go for the summary control, and cart item will be deleted, but it's not updated by the cart icon and cart 1. So any item deleted from the cart, then cart item will be getting from the database table and updated in the session. Okay, so just click on it, detail. Okay, so when we add any item from the detail section, that cart is perfectly run well, but when we click on the delete button, the cart is not properly work. Okay, and also when we remove any item, if item is 1 existing, so cart item will be decreases by 1, and cart item, or you can say that session will be updated according to their cart information. So just go inside your cart controller, and you will see that here we have a delete button is there. Okay, where count equals to underscore count dot cart dot where application for only for the application user ID. So x tends to x dot application user ID, and where we get the application user ID by using the claims. So here we have some code snippets to get the application user ID. So just open my tool and just paste it from here. So here we have an options of the get an ID property. User ID is right there, and here we have a claims identity. Claims is there, so just remove that options from here, and you can see that here we have a claims. So claims dot value is the ID value of the user, that is the logged in user. Okay, and also you can do just get the all these items from the database table, and just you can use just in the session. So here you can see, here we have some details about the cart. So and also you can use this the same thing in the when we delete item, delete the quantity from the cart. So just you can use it. So here we have a http context.session.set integer 32, and with the cart key, and the value is the count. So session will be updated by this count variable, and you can see here we have a minus option is right also there. So cart.count is greater than 1. I mean to say that if we have some item in the cart and only one item in the cart, then if you delete when we press on the minus button, then item will be deleted from the cart. So cart will be updated also a number of with the number of items. So oops, no, the error is regarding to the claims does not exist in the current context. So just use claims from the code snippets. Okay, and now after that you can run your project and check the cart information. And you see that when we delete any item, the cart will be updated very well. Now just click on the home and add some item into the cart. So perfect, and just log out. Perfect. Okay, navigate to the login URL, just click on the login. Perfectly work, and just add a new item into the cart. Here we have two items into the cart, that is so just I want to add a payment detail. So here I'm using Stripe payment gateway for this, and just here we have just sign up into your account of your Stripe with the email ID and the passwords. And here you can see that here we have lots of options to integrate Stripe in the Ruby, in .NET, in JS, and etc. So lots of code is available on the Stripe. You can see. So here we have an activate payments on your account. So here we have some keys, and these are options: online payments, overview, Stripe checkout. So here we have lots of options is there: Ruby, Node.js, React.js, Node.js, Node, PHP, Python, Go, .NET, Java, etc. So everything is right. Just when we click on the .NET, you will see that the settings of the .NET available also: Ruby, Node.js, PHP, Python, Go, Java, no, Next.js, React, and HTML. So you can see, if you want to add Stripe into your account, then you in your ASP.NET Core, then you will see that here we have some publishable key and the secret key on your dashboard. So just go one step ahead, uh, or you can say that just one step back, where we have payments is there, and developer option is also there, and that account is actually in the test mode. So just click on the developer options, and here we have an API key, reveal test key, and you will see that publishable key and the secret key is visible. So just copy all these code from here, and just add these code in the app settings.json file. And here you can see, here we have the secret key and the publishable key. So just add a new node in the app settings.json file, that is the Stripe. And in the Stripe, you can just add a two key, that is the publishable key and the secret key. So here we have a publishable key, and the next one is the secret key. Copy all these options, paste it here, and also paste inside the publishable key. So just copied it and paste it here. Okay, so everything is right. Now just come with the next lecture. Thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching all others.